fucking 9 to 5, man. We doing 10 to 10s. Stand up. My family know I got him. My family know I got him. Ay, ay. My sanity was abolished. My sanity was abolished. Ay, ay. I really came from the bottom. Talk about family, know that I got him. Shout out to mama, your son never stopping. Really so focused, I promise I got it. My family know I got him. My family know I got him. Ay, ay. My sanity was abolished.
What up, Yang Gang? It's your boy. Crypto Yang is back in the building. My family know I got him. Everybody who doubted the return, y'all don't need to come back on the ship. Just stay your ass jump ship. You know what I'm saying? I appreciate everybody who stuck around, held it down. Anybody who fudded, talked shit, said I was this, was in jail, whatever the fuck y'all said. Man, you can take that shit, ball it up, throw it in the trash. Matter of fact, you can go ahead and throw that money into a shitcoin and get rugged. How about that? Those words, get it rugged. How about that? Yo, it's your boy. Oh shit. My dog, who was a puppy at one time, he's a big ass fucking Great Pyrenees now. He grown as hell. If he start barking in the background, that's my fault. I'm so sorry. Anyway, it's your boy, Crypto Yang, back in the building, back in full effect. Can't wait to get to this video. All right, so the first thing we're gonna talk about is BNB, the current state of BNB. Curling down, that shit ugly. Oh Lord, oh my goodness. But you know, BNB has been very bouncy here lately. The horse, you know, it's not looking too bad right this second. I was saying that BNB would be a good scout play, but really, you know, it's not really moving that big enough for us to say that. All right, let me go ahead and lower this volume on this down. Hold on, I can't hear nothing. All right, there we go. All right, so BNB, I say if you can get it anywhere under 400, you good to go. Just chill on it, sit on it. Right now, I would not really recommend to buy, although it has been bouncing around 400 to 420. 420. Nah, look, if it goes anywhere near 400, I'm copping a little bit more. If it goes under 400, I'm averaging down. These are just basic. Hold up, wait, let me stop right now. I am not a financial advisor. Anything I tell you is my opinion. You do what you will with it. Do your own research, do your own due diligence. Don't go crazy, don't throw your whole house into something, all right? Even though sometimes I be feeling like I want to do it myself. Look, there were a few tokens that I've already called out in the server, some that I've already told y'all that I made a move. Now look, we have a Discord server, the big infamous Yang Gang's home, really, you know what I'm saying? I'm gonna put the Discord link in the info underneath. Now that is, you know, it's always gonna be free. Lurkers are always free, but there are a lot of different channels that you're not gonna get if you are not part of the Yang Gang roll. If you don't have Yang Gang roll, you're not gonna see the pre-sale chat. You're not gonna see the alerts and the pre-sale alerts. You're not gonna see half of what I say. You know what I'm saying? So you'll be able to talk, or you'll be able to lurk and just watch. You won't be able to ask no questions, none of that. But if you want the Yang Gang roll, it's only $30. It's a one-time donation of $30. That's a lifetime of Yang Gang. You're gonna be forever Yang Gang, and you won't ever have to pay another dollar to be in the server. You see what I'm saying? So I just want to let y'all know that. I just want to go ahead and pass that along. Like I said, the Discord link is gonna be underneath the video. So what are we gonna get into? I'm a little hype right now, so let me calm down for a moment. All right. So like I said, BNB in the current state right now, bouncing around, grabbing this what, flipping the who. But I'm starting to see a pattern here, right? Where it came up, boom, spiked up, came down, boom, 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 spiked up, came down, boom, 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 boom. I think it's going to be making a huge move soon. If you look at the current state of Bitcoin, that's looking like what's going to happen is the same thing. Let's go into USDT. Let's look at Bitcoin real quick. Bitcoin is approaching 60,000, right? Looking really healthy, looking really good. Yeah, look at that. That's beautiful look. That's a beautiful look, and it's just flying. it looks like everything's reversing. Everything's looking good. We're coming up on a lot of resistance. We'll see how it handles the resistance. You know, same with BNB with support. Shiba Inu, Shiba. Shiba's been looking good. I think when I called it in the server, it was around 27. You could have made a good little 20% or something like that, scalping that. Shiba has been actually one that I have been scalping here and there, just for little gains and stuff. I'm not going crazy. I'm not trying to go crazy. I'm just trying to make some smooth transactions. You see what I'm saying? Back when we first started, 500x wasn't shit. But now, you know, things have gotten a little less ridiculous, which is good. You know, that way you have time to pull out or put in whatever. We're gonna try to keep some steady gains going. All right, so don't expect to get rich overnight. That's not going to happen. It can. It's like the lottery, though. You know what I'm saying? If you pick the right play and you put enough money into it, it may turn you into a six-figure in there. You know what I'm saying? But I like Shiba. It looks like it's gonna do numbers, man. I think it's gonna move alongside with Bitcoin in regards to new all-time highs. Okay. The next move, whenever it may be, it's gonna be monstrous. You know, it may take a while, but Jesus, that's just gonna hit 1,000. First place, simp token, something that somebody dropped in the server. All right, right now it just launched. You know, it didn't launch too long ago, at like 2 o'clock, 4 hours ago. So right now we're looking at resistance. I think it's about to just like that. I got into this, I think around 1377, yeah, something like that. I also got into Meta Hero around 30. That's weird. But yeah, simp token, I think it's ready to blast off. So I'm gonna, I'm not going into detail on anything. Y'all do y'all's due diligence, your own research. If you got questions, ask me in the server. Don't be DMing me. Please don't DM me unless it has something to do with either you trying to get the Yang Gang roll by making your donation or whatever it is. Other than that, talk in the server amongst each other. You know what I'm saying? That's what the server's for. It's a community. It's for people to throw out ideas and see plays and strategies and see what other people think, and we work together as a collective unit. You see what I'm saying? That's what Yang Gang is all about, right? Waycoin, we all eat. Speaking of that, we will be getting to that. It has been a long time coming. I promise. It's coming very, very soon, sooner than you think. But it is something that, I could make a whole bunch of coins, some bullshit coins, throw them out there and just, I'm not like that. I want to make something that's actually going to be useful, have a use case, make a project behind it, make another project behind it, network with people and try to collaborate. We're going to do something with that. Anyway, simp token. This is something that I'm looking at. This is going to be straight up hype. Just ride the wave. Make money, take money when you can, all right? Meta Hero, man, there's a lot of hype behind this too. There's a lot of buy the hype, sell the news kind of a thing going on right now. I got in this, like I said, at 1377. That was probably around here. I think it's right here. And it looks like we're on a nice little ride up. Let's look at it in an hour time frame. Look at that. Yeah. So we got to break that resistance, right? If not, this double top, it's going down. So, just be very careful with this play here. With simp, I want to say simp was like an 8% or 10% or 10%, 10% slippage, and Meta Hero was actually a 1%. The first call that I made in the server, aside from scalping Shiba and BNB, was real estate token, RET. That shit 2x'd in like a day. Money, easy money. I put in, if you put in like $5,000, you made $5,000. If you put in $100, you made $100. Whatever your wallet looks like, whatever your money, your pockets look like, you doubled it in whatever you invested just in one day. You cannot be mad at those results. If you don't like those results, then I don't know what to tell you, because even if you go into the stock market, it's very rare that you're going to double your money unless you're playing with options. And options, that shit is very, very risky. Just like this shit. But I mean, the way that things have been moving lately, in the crypto world, it's not as bad or volatile. I'm actually happy it's not as volatile because you could still make 2 or 3 times your money, and you're good. You know what I'm saying? Like, what's wrong with that? There's nothing wrong with that. 50% is good. But anyway, Meta Hero, it looks like it's ready to blast off. Sim Token looks like it's ready to blast off. Both of them are looking really good and in prime shape. Hopefully I can get this video uploaded quick enough for y'all to be able to see it and to be able to jump in on it. Now, this is the huge announcement that we're making here for Yang Gang. I told y'all there's going to be a big announcement, okay? Poseidon, boom, Poseidon Token. They're going to have they're doing that shit on the 16th. They have a pre-sale going on the 16th, but why is that a huge announcement? I'll tell you why it's a huge announcement. Because Poseidon has sponsored a giveaway for Yang Gang. That's beautiful. We got a giveaway of BNB. 1.25 BNB up for grabs in the server. Be in the server. Random times, I'm going to notify everybody, let everybody know, yo, it's giveaway time, and it could be any random amount. It might be $5, it might be $150, it might be $200, it might be $50. You don't know, right? So just be around. Make sure that you active in the chat, and you'll get a chance to win. Now, how we're gonna do that, I will see. I might have, little stupid things where back in the day I would say type crypto backwards, and the first person who types crypto backwards wins. We'll figure it out. Let's just go with the flow. I just came back. I'm trying to get this community back in shape. It was all in shambles. People were in there, scam this, that, blah, blah, blah. Fuck all that. The spamming, the shilling, it's dead. You know what I'm saying? The scams, dead. Fuck that. The whole reason I made this community was to kill scams, to stop fucking with scams, and to educate y'all. I want y'all to know that I'm here for y'all, man. Yo, and the community's here for y'all. Anybody in there that's talking that you've seen around for a long time, they all know what they talking about because they've been around since I've been around. You see what I'm saying? If not longer, which there aren't that many that have been around that much longer. But I'm here. I'm ready. Poseidon Token. Poseidon DeFi.online is the website, okay? Like I said, the pre-sale is going to be on Saturday, all right? They got a hard cap, I think, estimated somewhere around 300 to 400 BNB. Not that bad. They're going to be doing a lot of marketing, a lot of promos. So this is something that is very highly anticipated, something that they're going to be pumping some money into, marketing dollars. This is what you want, right? So this is going to be a portfolio tracker, okay? Both on the ETH and BSC network. All right. There isn't any information, any pictures, or anything like that on the project itself, but usually these portfolio tokens, they do well, man. From what I've seen in the past, Richie was one, KlueCoin was one. I mean, they got good tokenomics here. If you want to look into that, they have a roadmap here. And that's really it right now. I think there's a white paper as well, so if you want to read up on it, I think it's the same information pretty much. But there will be more details being dropped in the server, in the Discord, as they become available to me. I will share the information with y'all because I want y'all to really make sure that you keep an eye on this. This is something I'm actually gonna get Wrath to vet it. I'm gonna have him check it out. Give the thumbs up. Me personally, I already give the thumbs up. I think Poseidon Token is gonna make us some money, man. So definitely keep an eye on that. Let's get the hype going on this token in our server, in other servers, you know what I'm saying? Everywhere. I'm out of breath. I haven't done this in a long time. And I'm very, 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 very excited to be back. Look, shout out to my boy Rondo. Go check out his music, RONDOHHH. All right, the song that you heard in the intro, that is the official song for the Crypto Yang Gang. So it's called Family. That's gonna be dropping here in like a month or two. It's not available to y'all yet. Y'all get a little sneak peek, you know what I'm saying? Because your boy knows some people, you know what I mean? But Rondo, he an upcoming rapper from Tampa. Shout out to him. And shout out to Yang Gang, shout out to Poseidon Token, shout out to everything that that I'm gonna call here soon, because I need it all to fly. You know what I'm saying? We need to make some money, baby. We got to get back to the money. Anyway, really glad to be back. It's been a long time coming. I promise y'all I got y'all. Y'all know. If anybody knows, y'all know. Especially those who've been around. Now, if you want to join the Discord server, like I said, it is always free to lurk and just watch and listen and learn. But if you want to participate or ask questions or whatever, you want to share some information or knowledge that you know about, so, you know, it's only a $30 minimum donation. All the information is going to be in the announcements channel. The Discord server link is going to be down underneath this video. Like, share, subscribe, hit that notification bell, comment, holla at your boy, man. I'm here. I'm human. Unlike a lot of these servers, I'm human. You know what I'm saying? Y'all get to know who I am. You hear my voice. You hear how I speak. You know, y'all know I know what I'm talking about. Y'all, if you've seen any of my videos in the past, a lot of the people that a lot of these servers now that y'all have joined, I educated all of them. All of them have come up through the Yang Gang server. So, you know, they're not my enemies or anything, but at the same time, it's like, yo, what y'all doing, man? I gave you some information. You want to take that and you want to go and make your own server, make money off of my members and my Yang Gang, and then all of y'all jump ship when I disappear, which is understandable, but I hope y'all come back. Let people know your boy is back. Let people know that this shit is gonna be on and popping. We're gonna get back to the money. You know what I'm saying? Like I said, I'm ready. If y'all have any questions, holla at me in the Discord. Also, please don't DM me with a million questions about this token, that token. What do you think? This, that. I'm not going to answer you. If you ask me, hey, where do I send a donation? Or, hey, I have a question about the rules. Something like that. That's different. I'll answer you. But I don't have time to be going back. Look, the reason why I took such a long break and went on hiatus is because I was so burnt out. Y'all know I was in there for 24 hours a day, damn near. I never slept. Everybody knew that. I never slept, and that's what happened. I burned myself out. So now I'm going to keep a nice little balance between my life and the crypto world. So, you know, if I don't get to y'all, or if y'all see that I go maybe a day or two without a call or something like that, just relax. Because I promise you, there's going to be something coming for y'all. And then also, there's a lot of good shot callers in the server still, even now. Who called it? I think, I called Real Estate Token. Somebody called Meta Hero in here and Simp Token. And if you would have jumped in when they called it, like right here at the dip, you'd have been down at like 1,300. Meta Hero, it dipped down under 13. You know what I'm saying? Like, we still got people holding it down for the Yang Gang server. It's crazy to me that so many people or so little people are active right now when I return. But a lot of y'all don't even know that I returned. But don't call it a comeback. You know what I'm saying? Don't call it a comeback. Your boy is back in the building. Love to see that we still have people from way back in the day. And I hope to see some new faces as well. Don't forget to subscribe, hit that notification bell. I don't spam a million videos a day. And you know, so you want to see what I have when I send it out. So yeah, Simp Token, Meta Hero, Poseidon. This pre-sale is gonna be big, y'all. I'm telling you, it's gonna be big. Keep an eye on this, and go to the Telegram. All the links are in the alert section, in the pre-sale section. Check out the website if you want to. You know, the devs are in the Telegram, always talking. Man, look, it's gonna be big, and we got the giveaways going. Listen, Crypto Yang Gang, I'm out of here. It's your boy Crypto Yang. Appreciate y'all rocking with me until now and forever. You know what I'm saying? We all eat. Shitcoin coming soon. It's been a long time coming for that too. Don't worry, it's coming, I promise. But yeah, we out of here. First video in like 3-4 months. Feels good to be back.
Couldn't stop the shots to my chest. I was more hungry than Budapest. Now I'm on a quest to put my family on them jets. Put some diamonds round my mama neck and tell her she don't gotta stress. Tell her that her son I'm next, and when I make it, I'ma fucking flex. Tell her that her son I'm next, and when I make it, I'ma fucking flex. My family know I got 'em. My family know I got 'em. Ayy, ayy, my sanity was abolished. My sanity was abolished. Ayy, ayy, I really came from the bottom. Talk about family, know that I got 'em. Shout out to mama, your son never stopping. Really so focused, I promise I got it.